Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things green energy. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money with solar panels. Solar panels are a fantastic investment that can help you save money on your energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and even make you some extra money. Here are 4 ways to make money with solar panels. Net metering. Net metering is a program offered by most utilities that allows you to sell excess electricity back to the grid. Essentially, when your solar panels generate more energy than you need, the excess is sent back to the grid and you are credited for that energy. This can result in significant savings on your monthly energy bill, and in some cases even result in a profit. Solar Renewable Energy Certificates. Solar Renewable Energy Certificates are a way to earn money for the energy your solar panels produce. They are tradable certificates that represent 1 megawatt-hour of solar electricity. These certificates are bought and sold by utilities and other energy companies to help them meet their renewable energy requirements. By generating and selling SRECs, you can earn money for the solar energy your panels produce. Solar leasing. If you're not able to purchase solar panels outright, you can still benefit from them by leasing them. With a solar lease, you can have solar panels installed on your property for little to no upfront cost. In exchange, you pay a monthly fee to the solar company for the use of the panels. This can result in immediate savings on your energy bill, and in some cases, the lease payments may be less than what you would pay for your regular energy bill. Solar farming. If you have the capital and land available, you can start your own solar farm. A solar farm is a large-scale installation of solar panels that generates electricity for sale to utilities or other energy companies. With a solar farm, you can generate a significant amount of energy, which can result in a substantial income stream. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money with solar panels. If you're interested in any of these methods, be sure to do your research and consult with professionals to determine which option is best for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.